In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Uber Eats Pass or Uber Eats One. So Uber Eats Pass, now largely rebranded as Uber One, is a monthly subscription offering $0 delivery fees on eligible food and groceries orders over a minimum amount, typically $12 to $15. And in order to go ahead and activate it, all you need to really do is simply go ahead and open the application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account and click on this Uber One icon right over here. And this is where you can simply go ahead and purchase it. In order to go ahead and purchase it, make sure that you have identify eligible orders. So simply go ahead and look for the green tickets. So as you can see on Uber One, as you can see, it's going to show you zero delivery fee on $15 plus. You can simply go ahead and add any and then purchase it. So that is about it. In order to go ahead and get the Uber One subscription, just click on the account icon and then simply go ahead and click on the partner rewards, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to